This time we downloaded a special font. To download any type of fonts, my favorite website is thefont.com. This time I choose horror category. And here we see a bunch of different horror related fonts are available. And all of these fonts are absolutely free for personal use. Let's say this time we download this Fist of Flesh BB font. To download this one, I just simply hit on download. Our downloading is now complete. Now I just open this up and here you see the zip file of this font. Now I extract this and install the basic one. So our installing is now complete. Now to reload this font in Illustrator, we need to restart this project. But before this, I just simply save this project and type my file name, t-shirt design using font, and type file I choose AI and hit on save. Now I close this one and open this t-shirt design using font.ai file. Now I add a text on this blank artboard. To do this, from the left side, I select this text tool and this time I type, but before this, I just simply set my text size 100, not 100. I set my text size in 300 pixels and this time I type you slow, you blow. Now I select this whole text block and from this drop down menu I just simply search my font style, Fist of Flesh BB font. And here it is. Now to play around with this text, I just simply convert this text into shape. To do this, at first I just simply navigate to the selection tool and go to type and select create outlines. Now this time I increase the width of this text block a little bit and rotate it a little bit more. Now to put all of this text all together, I just simply group them this word U. To do this, I just simply double click on this letter Y. After double click on this, I just press shift and select Y, O, U. And then I just click and move it down. Alright. In the same way, I just simply click Y and holding shift, I just simply select O and U and place it right here. And I just simply select B, holding shift, I select W, O and L and move it and place it right here. Alright, now I double click on this blank space and select everything and holding shift and dragging on this corner, I just simply make this text size bigger. Alright, now I draw a lightning thunderbolt. To draw this shape, actually process is pretty simple. From the left side, select pen tool and then simply draw a lightning thunderbolt shape. Alright, now I navigate to the move selection tool and increase the width of this shape and set it right here. Now using this pen tool, I just simply draw another shape like this. Now I just make this shape bigger a little bit more, and then from swatches I set color sky. Now to add little curvy effect on this shape, I just simply select this pencil tool, and after that hover over the mouse on the corner and click and draw a random curved line and close it here. Alright, so our shape is just created. In our next lecture we will add a super cool effect on this text using this shape and some other techniques. Thank you so much for watching.